most of the civil servants are very, very young people. So even though they have very good qualifications, they may still be lacking in knowledge and decision-making processes. So it is very important for us to empower them, make them understand the nature of their job, the surroundings, and expose them to as many situations as possible so that they will be able to handle problems. The civil servants themselves will also have to spend some time to understand our situation, to read books as much as possible, understand the past so that we can move forward into the future. And we are also thinking, of course, there have been a lot of workshops. Sometimes we feel that there is an overburden of workshops on civil servants, but then it has to be designed in such a way from the time of recruitment to training to embarking on their regular jobs, they have to be empowered in a manner that they can use all the free apps for database, and there are many things that can be used to increase your capacity. All means will be adopted to make sure that civil servants gain the capacity that they are expected to in fulfilling or rendering their services.